My name is Randy Bigley. Joining me on the podcast right now, we're going to talk with the Marion County Council on Aging. We're talking about the Senior Day at the Marion County Fair. Cassie Gregory is with me. Hello, Cassie. Cassie, nice to meet you, by the way. And like I said, you're from the Marion County Council on Aging. And the Senior Day has always been big at the fair. I remember it many, many times out there, working in Marion for so long. But you get a pretty good crowd out there that day.
Yes, and we're really excited this year because for the past several years we've not been in the Coliseum. They had us in the Park Pavilion, and this year we are back in the Coliseum. So we are in an actual building. We're going to be able to have more vendors, more seniors.
That's great.
Everything.
That's great. Talk about that. What all happens on Senior Day at the fair?
Okay. Well, on July 3rd, seniors can get in to the fair by bringing a canned food item. And then in the Coliseum, it is Senior Day. Okay. And at 10 o'clock, we're going to have donuts and coffee because who doesn't like donuts and coffee?
Right.
And then there will be entertainment. We're going to have two different groups. Harmonica Man, who is very well known and was there last year. And then this year, a newer group that will be coming to the fair, at least for us, is Full Moon.
Oh, great. Okay.
And then for $4, Kingston, who is one of our sponsors, will be providing the lunch. Okay. And then Ohio Health, who is another sponsor for us, they'll be providing the ice cream.
Oh, nice.
And then after lunch, everybody's favorite part is the senior games.
Oh, yeah.
And all our vendors will be providing the door prizes for the senior games. And then at 2 o'clock, we will do a raffle that they're signing up for as soon as they get there and they pay their $4. And it will be door prizes. And usually there's some pretty good door prizes.
Oh, wow. Very cool. So, and so a lot goes on that day, doesn't it?
It's a long day, but it's a fun day.
Yes. And how much does it cost to eat out there when you're going to eat?
$4.
Okay.
$4. And Kingston, they always provide the food, and it is always a good lunch.
Exactly.
And then
Excellent.
Dessert on top of that from Ohio Health.
Now, it is limited to 300 people, correct?
It is first 300. There will be food because, we're bringing it from off-site. So
yeah, sure.
Yep. So the first 300.
So get there early, right?
Absolutely. No earlier than 10, though.
Right, exactly. Don't get there like 7 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, something.
Right. Let's talk about the Marion County Council on Aging a little bit. What all do you offer out there? And let's just talk about that.
Wonderful. The Marion County Council on Aging has been around since 2006 in Marion County. It is through the Senior Services Levy. Okay. So all of our services are donation only. And come through and are paid for by the levy. We partner with Kingston, who we provide for the adult day memory care. There are not a lot of people that use this service, but for those that do, it is extremely important because of the caregiver burnout. And that is those with dementia can go 8 to 4:30 Monday through Friday.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Then we have for all of our other homebound clients, the home delivered meal program. And our meals actually come out of Seneca County Commission on Aging. Okay. But those are for homebound seniors, as well as we have homemaking, which is your light housekeeping, your personal care assistance, so your bathing, and then caregiver respite services. And we have 3 different providing agencies that we contract with to provide those services to our seniors in Marion County.
That's quite a bit.
Yes, absolutely.
Right.
And then we also have, we hear hardly any complaints. It is a wonderful service, is the transportation. And we contract with the Marion Senior Center to provide all of our transportation for those in Marion County to necessary appointments. And I say necessary appointments because we consider hair appointments necessary appointments. This is not just medical transportation.
Sure.
So, getting your prescriptions, the things that you have to do. But then we also contract with Marion County Area Transit, and they do medical transportation only for us in Delaware and Franklin counties, so even out of county.
Okay,
so
great.
We have that service as well. And then personal shopping. So we have a personal shopper, and this is through Marion Senior Center as well. We contract with them to provide, it's approximately about 30 seniors in Marion County with shopping, where she goes into the home, gets their list, gets their money, does their grocery shopping, and brings it all back.
Fantastic. Wow.
So,
yeah, if someone's interested in any of these services, what do they need to do? How they can get a hold of you?
it would probably be easiest if they call us at Marion County Council on Aging. The phone number is 740-387-0401, and then I can direct them for each service. It is confusing because sometimes you call the agencies directly, and then other times you call us at the council.
Sure. Yeah.
So I will make sure that they get connected to where they need to be. But we also just updated our resource directory, and I want to make sure everybody realizes that it had not been updated, was not due to be updated since 2019, and that was prior to COVID. So with agency name changes and closings, and a lot changed. So we have a new resource directory, and people can call us, and I can get that to them, or stopping in at the office is a little difficult because we do have office hours, but if we are gone for meetings or something, the office is closed. So it's best to call for everything, and then then we'll figure the rest out.
And what's your phone number?
740-387-0401.
And again, Monday, July 3rd, it's Senior Day at the Marion County Fair. Very cool. And back in the Coliseum, I'm glad to see that. You guys are back there again.
Yeah, the senior, we're excited. It's going to be a fun day.
It sounds like it. It's real nice to meet you, Cassie.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you so much. Again, remember July 3rd at the Marion County Fair, 10 a.m. until 2:30 p.m., Senior Day. Thank you.
Thank you.